This is a rock back with a foam roller. I love utilizing this variation to really open up along the entire back. Oftentimes, especially if you're in a more anterior tilt, getting into that rock back position can be difficult to even get that kind of roundedness through the spine. You almost feel like you're kind of stuck here. And so in that rock back, it's just hard to get into that movement, or it's even difficult to sit on the heels and allow yourself to round into more of that lumbar flexion. So love utilizing a foam roller. In this position, I'm kind of getting the foam roller right underneath and almost imagine utilizing my tailbone to kind of push the foam roller closer to my knees and kind of sitting on it and getting into that more rock back position with the foam roller, thinking about allowing the foam roller to inch towards my knees. So instead of being here, I'm almost scooping the foam roller underneath me with my tailbone, placing my hands on the ground, palms facing up. And as I inhale, feeling that sensation all along the back of air flowing to the compressed areas, exhaling all the air out to get tension in the belly. Keep that sort of tuck under in terms of pushing the foam roller towards the knees. So instead of being here, I'm thinking about bringing the foam roller towards my knees. Inhale and exhale. Nice controlled inhales, long, soft exhalations. Keeping that foam roller, instead of being here, imagine tucking and using the tailbone to push the foam roller towards the knees.